హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. నా ఛానల్కి మీ అందరికీ స్వాగతం. లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ ది వీడియో, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ ఫర్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ న్యూ వీడియోస్. ప్లీజ్ క్లిక్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి, నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. కొత్త వీడియోల నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Indrajit's demons.
Is his badness with them?
If he is, he won't be leaving any tracks. Quick, take cover.
Go, come on.
How wonderful. You can climb trees just like one of us. You must have learned from monkeys.
Nope, Amazons.
Amazons?
It's a long story.
Hi. Today we are going to discuss about Amazons. Yeah. We all know about Amazons. They are the women tribes in South America who are a warrior clan. So who are these Amazons? What are they the Western counterpart of? So from what Eastern mythology did Amazons spring from? In the previous videos, I have discussed how Indra of Hindu mythology has become Zeus, and so Mount Olympus should be Amaravati, the capital city of Indra. Mount Olympus. Let's discuss the derivation of Olympus word. Olympus word came from Alambasa. O is normally A in Indian languages. Olam, Alam, Pas, Bus, because Pa can become Ba easily. We can see that in Arab languages mostly, because Europeans have sprung from Hebrews. And Alambasa is a Rakshasa who helps Duryodhana in the Kurukshetra war. But the word Alambas comes from Alambana, that is to help, be support of. Even the Arabians call their king or leader Alampana. Alampana means the leader, so the supporter of their population. And if we go deeper into the etiology, we can know how the words were coined. The starting root word can be said to be Ampa. Ampa means to give. Ampatamu means to give, to provide. So Ampa became Amba, the provider, mother. Ala Amba means the things given by the mother. Even in Arabian words we can see Al. Al word is equivalent to the word in English. Al in Arabian languages. Al came from the Indian Ala, Al Madina, etc. So Ala Amba means the thing given by the mother. That became into a separate word Alambana, which gave rise to Olympus. So Olympus is the source that provides necessary things for existence of mankind. From heaven the power comes to earth to nourish the human race. So, as we know, if the demigods in Hindu mythology, that is the Devas, are in the Swargam or on the Olympus mountains, then we can easily guess who Amazons should be. Amazons are the Apsarasas of Hindu mythology, because they are the only total female population tribes associated with the Devas and heaven of Hindu mythology. So, if Apsaras are Amazons, what is the etiology of the term Amazon? So, before describing it, I would like to mention about the episode from the TV show Xena, the Warrior Princess. In that particular episode, I think in season 4, there are 2-3 episodes describing things about India and Indian gods. In that, Hanuman climbs a tree just by jumping, huge tree, nearly 100 feet jump it is. Up jump, not jumping from the tree down, but from the ground he jumps onto the tree top. And Xena repeats the same. She too can perform the same. And then Hanuman asks where she learnt that trick from. Xena tells him that she learnt it from the Amazons. And Hanuman, in all his bewilderment, asks Xena who the Amazons are, to which she replies that it's a long story. But little does Xena know that Amazons are nothing but a tribe derived from mother of Lord Hanuman himself. Yes, Amazons are a tribe initiated by Lord Hanuman's mother Anjana Devi. So Amjana became Amazana and Amazon. It actually means Amma Janani. Amma Janani. I already told you that both the Americas and Australia and Southeast Asia all are part of Andhra Empire. So we can find many idols of Hindu gods also in the Americas, both the American continents, dating to lakhs of years. So it's nothing weird that the Amazon River is named after Hindu goddess Anjana Devi. So it was a little weird that Hanuman is asking Xena about his own mother. I mean, the tribe she started and the tribe she taught whatever she learned from Hanuman. Or, I mean, Hanuman clan, the monkey clan. Anjana Devi was an Apsara, but she was cursed to be born as a Vanara, that is the monkey. And in a monkey life, she learned how to climb the trees so fast and to such large heights, which she went back and taught to the Apsaras. And the Vanana and human descendants of those Apsaras are the Amazon tribes that are living in South America currently. So Xena learnt it from Hanuman indirectly. Hanuman and his mother taught the Amazons, and Amazons taught Xena how to climb the trees. So the cursed Apsaras, born as Vanaras, that is the Neanderthals, Denisovians, etc., and who have mixed with the human race, Homo sapiens, and then left a sustainable population in the South America, and they have continued their tradition till date. Some people could say that Amazons arose from the word amaze.
So it's the way of love for you.
So, where does the word amaze come from? Amaze comes from plus aja. Amaja.
Sorry, could you some coffee?
Aja means to take birth or to rise from. Means mother, amma, or it could be even sea. The episode of Samudra Manthan from which everything arose, all the joys arose that we enjoy today. So something that is so terrific, so wondrous
All rivers run to the sea.
is the thing that arose from the that is the sea or Mother Earth or any higher source.
For what?